Today with us, we have two very special guests, Chef Tiziana Stefanelli from Italy and Chef Zander Ng from Singapore. So this year, the theme for the Italian Cuisine Week is on sustainability, right? So Chef Tiziana, can you tell us a little bit more about why your dish fits this sustainable theme?
I really care about sustainability, and we are using only organic and local ingredients because we can manage to do nice Italian food even with local ingredients. This is something really important.
So the fish that we're using today, is fresh, locally farmed Barramundi. So the couple things that I like about Kubara is that they focus on traceable products, right? And then they also look at their certified sustainable feed for the fish. And also the whole farm runs on solar power. If I'm able to select something that's done in a sustainable manner, and also I'm supporting local businesses, I'm 100% on board.
So today, both chefs are going to do their own version of one very special dish, which is fresh pasta with barramundi fish.
It's really fresh. It's amazing. I love it. Spinaches, locally produced, and now we are going to add the white of the eggs. Here we have only spinaches, flour, and the white of the eggs, and a little bit of water, because we are using the water from the spinaches. This is very healthy because we use all the minerals of our spinaches. So all the minerals are here inside, and the color is amazing.
I think what's special is that, if you compare all the ingredients that I have here with what's on, Tiziana's side there, you can see that this is already, screaming Southeast Asia. And this thing the whole room is gonna smell now. Sorry guys, huh? So now that, I've really fried off the rumpa, and, I think from the start to where it is now, you can see it's really a much darker color of red. And this is gonna be the basis of then the stew which we're gonna make. So I'm just gonna go in now with some water. With the way in which we cook the fish here, I wanted to just steam it and poach it in the gravy curry itself, because it's going to ensure that we get the most tender end product. And as you can see, it'll just fall apart completely.
Has it been easy for you to do traditional Italian cooking since you came to Singapore?
Yes, it is, because we have a lot of Italian importers that are trading Italian food here. So whatever I need here in Singapore, I can find. But not only Italian, European in general, you can find everything in Singapore. Just you need to know where to buy. It's unbelievable how much you can find in Singapore. So no problem. Not at all. Yeah, thanks to our Italian importers. Peppers. Olives. In the meantime, you see how green and beautiful is it? It is really healthy.
What is one Italian cooking technique that you think Asian chefs should practice more of?
I think when it comes to technique-wise, everything that you're doing on the dish, right? It has to be a reason, right? Don't just add another element just because it looks nice or it looks fancy or it looks, it's what you may see, right? So I think that simplicity is really the best sometimes.
I heard that you've actually worked in Italy as a chef before as well.
So I went there on a summer holiday, but I was working with Ettore Bocchia, and so he was really the grandfather of molecular gastronomy in Italy. And I think that trip was when I got my eyes open. I was shocked about what could be done. And also, I think for anyone walking into a professional kitchen that holds Michelin stars, you're blown away by the produce, the quality of the produce, and just how much effort goes into sourcing each component. But it was unbelievable. And so, Tiziana, how was your cook?
Great, thank you. And also your cook was amazing.
Yeah, I think we've shown this different cultures and styles coming today. We can see that the plates are also very different in color and also just with the ingredients here.
It's incredible, and this fantastic smell of Barramundi.
Oh yes. This one takes me to the Mediterranean. With olives, the capers, straight away.
This one is very chili, a lot of chili, so it makes me feel Italian in Singapore.
Yeah.
So don't forget, the Italian Cuisine Week is coming up 22nd to the 28th of November.
And from the dishes you've seen here today, you know that sustainability and good taste go hand in hand.
Allora vi aspettiamo alla settimana della cucina italiana.